Straight out of an HGTV makeover, this mid-century modern renovation is absolutely stunning. Bring your toothbrush and move into this centrally located home that is within minutes of shopping, entertainment, restaurants, Providence Hospital, USA, the airport and the Coast Guard base. Be prepared to be impressed with a shiplap on the front porch where morning coffee can be enjoyed in a favorite rocking chair. Then step into the wide-open floor plan that will warm your heart and bring a smile to the faces of those that come to visit. Family gatherings or festive meals will be enjoyed in the spacious dining area. A quick snack or hurried breakfast can be served at the gorgeous butcher block-topped breakfast bar. Eyes will be drawn to the dramatic raised beamed ceiling, the impressive wood-burning fireplace and brick feature wall. There is a breakfast area off the great room and kitchen where casual family meals will be enjoyed.